Look at that campsite, man. It's better on screen. Yeah, man. Incredible, right? Done for the day here, guys. I found this on freecampsites.net. It's right outside of Silverton. I can see like a lot of bicycle tracks and stuff like that, you know. I think it's used by other bike travelers. But yeah, says good reviews online. It's easy to find right off the road, right along the Mineral Creek here in Silverton. We've got some old mine ruins back there. Pretty awesome. This is gonna be a great campsite. Definitely getting a fire going tonight because that's what's up. As we all know, I destroyed that Mavic Mini the other day, guys. But I went ahead and picked up another Mavic Mini. This one's got 3 batteries, charger, case, propeller guard, which I don't think I'm going to be using. But yeah, anyway, a subscriber picked me up in Silverton, Colorado, and drove me 2 hours north to Grand Junction. I picked this up at Best Buy. I bought it online last night to save it. It was the last one they had. And she drove me all the way back here. And I'm camping at the same camp spot I was at last night. The Doubler. She just got done hiking the Arizona Trail, and she's driving all over Colorado, exploring and hiking. And she's hanging out tonight. We're camping out, and she might even join me for a bike ride, maybe later on down in Arizona. So looking forward to that. She's got a Trek 520, 15 or 16 years old, and it's made in the USA and pretty badass style. So that'll be interesting as well. But anyway, guys, I'm going to try to put this thing together and see what I can do. Same spot as last night. The Deuce. So we got the drone, we got the controller, we got the battery charger, 3 batteries, and yeah, just the charging cable. Plus this case, which is huge. I don't know, I should probably use it because I feel like I'm being pretty hard on this machine. That's what's up. Ready to go. All right. Yeah, that sucks. The old battery shot there too. I got the drone with 3 batteries, the power bank, and hopefully I can get more footage and drone everything that I possibly want to. So that gives me an hour of drone time instead of just 20 minutes. Goat's got the Hornet Elite. How much is this weighing in at? You don't know. Doesn't know how much our ultralight tent weighs. 2 pounds. Not bad. It's a good looking tent. Double wall, I like that. The, you know, zero condensation, I mean, that will affect you generally. Morning, everybody. Day 58 in those Rocky Mountains. Woo. Pretty sure that's the Mineral Creek. It's either that or the Animus. Not sure. No. It's the Mineral, right? Picked up that drone yesterday, set it up, charged it up, had it up in the air last night. Everything worked well. Definitely a little bit nervous about flying it. I just don't want to lose this one too, you know. On to Durango today, guys. Really rolling off the mountains. I'm about 54 miles to Durango, and in there is a 30-mile downhill. I think I might try to stay in Durango, camp in Durango somewhere. Pretty much it for the Rocky Mountains. This is like the last ride, you know. Day 58, over 3,000 miles. I've got some coffee on and just getting all packed up here. But another beautiful day here in Colorado, guys. Truck saying goodbye to these beautiful mountains. Still got to go over Mullis Pass and the Colorado Trail. Looking forward to that, guys.